Guys, can we just talk about this right here? So guys, I made it to the next town, and for those of you who live in Connecticut, you guys all know that the northwest corner, like, is pretty fucking bad. So I just got caught in that crazy storm, pretty much, and I just made it back out of here. So I'm so happy right now. All right, so guys, I made it to the gas station. That was literally probably the scariest shit ever, because that was my first time driving this car in the snow, and there was a solid like 2 to 3 inches on the ground, and it doesn't seem a lot, but without winter tires, you know, it was difficult for me. And I got stuck on a hill because some idiot stopped. They didn't even pull over to the right, they just stayed right in the middle lane. So I tried to, like, I stopped way far back, so I had a good start. I had to wait for all the traffic, obviously, to come by, but I finally made it around them. I was literally spinning in first in my dash. Thank God for LSD, because the LSD was kicking in, and freaking it helped me up that hill. So that was a scary ass experience. The SI successfully made it. Stay tuned for the Project Midnight parts. Peace out.